This is today's look. I played with the Gemini palette, this one that I got in my Sephora mini haul. These are the colors in there. I love the palette. The only thing I will change next time when I'm using the glitter, I will use a glitter glue. Other than that, it is a nice palette. I like how it blends, how well it comes out. Take a look. Beautiful. I love it. I love it. Today's word is by Anne Morrow Lindbergh. And her quote says, "Arranging a bowl of flowers in the morning can give a sense of quiet in a crowded day, like writing a poem or saying a prayer. What matters is that one be for a time inwardly attentive." That quote is by Anne Morrow Lindbergh. When I read this quote, I'm reading it the first time. So for both you and I, when I open the book, I'm reading it for all of us. I don't read ahead. I open and I read with you and for you and for me. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. And I, simply your makeup is saying to go be your bad self. Do it anyways. Please you always. And again, this is my look for today. Bye. See you soon in another video. Bye bye.